In front of me is Lenovo Yoga Tab Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to hit biometrics and password. Then hit face recognition and enter your current login method. Following that, select Add at the bottom. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then hit Done, select Turn on or Cancel in the pop-up and go back. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!